Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can order layers on CapCut. Super simple. For instance, I want this one to be the overlay. Oh, why is it like, oh, there you go. I want this one to be on the overlay, so I'm just going to select the clip and I'm going to select the overlay button and I'm going to put it to the left. And I want to add another overlay, so I'm just going to do the exact same thing. And as you can see, this one is on the second layer, so just go to the layer button here, select the layer first though, and then go to layer, and then you can choose either one or two. So now this layer is behind the overlay because I ordered the layers, and that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!